Dora the Explorer, the Halloween cat. Hi, I am Dora. I am dressed as a dinosaur for Halloween. Boots is dressed as a banana. We see a small black cat. I am lost, says the cat. I have to get home in time for the big Halloween party. Boots and I will help the cat. Will you help too? Map knows where the cat lives. The cat lives in the candy castle with the good witch, says Map. We have to go to the haunted house and into the spooky forest to get there. We are at the haunted house. It is dark inside. We need something to help us see in the dark. Can you spot the flashlight? There are many doors in the haunted house. A ghost says, "Find the door with 7 spiders." Yay! We made it out of the haunted house. Now we will go to the spooky forest. Do you see the spooky forest? Uh-oh, here is a gate. Map says an orange key will open the gate. Do you see an orange key? Watch out! Swiper will try to swipe it. Say, "Swiper, no swiping." Yay! We stopped Swiper, and we opened the gate. Map says the red leaves will lead us out of the spooky forest. We made it out of the spooky forest. Now we have to find the candy castle. Here we are at the castle, but how do we get in? Use the broomstick, says the cat. Wow, we are flying! Hello, good witch! We did it! The cat is home with the good witch! Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time, and happy Halloween!